As you know, getting branches and trees trimmed is very expensive if you're not doing it yourself. But this is an easy solution at an easy entry point price wise. This is the Highland chainsaw. This is 100% made in USA out of their Norwalk, Connecticut factory. Red throw bag, steel flip tab, 25-foot rope are all manufactured on site. This makes cutting high limbs safely because you don't have to climb up on ladders and you can easily cut the limbs from the ground. If you just cut a few small branches, it pays for itself in just a few uses. I have a lot of tree branches to cut, and this one I'm cutting was like a 8-inch diameter near the base of the tree, and it took me quite a bit to go through it because it's just a thick branch, but eventually it came down and I cleared it out for pennies on the dollar from what I was quoted. Now yes, this requires a little manual labor, but think of it as good exercise while saving money and getting things done around the house. This is a good product that does what it says it does and can be used many years to come.